So, engineering animation. We produce photorealistic computer-generated animation and images for technical products and architecture. We use animation to showcase products, demonstrate features and benefits, how things work, and how to install and commission them. This is a water simulation to show the operation of a globe valve. Using physics to control millions of particles programmed to behave like water creates an accurate mimic of how real water flows through the valve as it closes and reopens. We can show products and processes which can't be photographed or filmed, and things which don't exist yet. Here, we reveal the mechanism of a reciprocating dosing pump with a variable stroke. As you rotate the dial, the stroke increases and raises the flow. Rotate the opposite way and the stroke decreases. This is achieved by linking all the components together in a kinematic chain, so they respond just like the real machine. It's a vivid and engaging way to show something that would be difficult to describe. This makes technical subjects easy to understand, with no language barrier, which is important when potential customers could be looking at your website from anywhere in the world. Your sales team can show these on their phones and have a presentation ready in their pockets at any time. Also suitable for big screens at exhibitions, tube stations, shopping centres, etc. for an eye-catching, moving display. This animation shows the step-by-step installation procedure for a motor gearbox. This de-skills the process, speeds it up and decreases the potential for mistakes. A very useful tool when training. This will reduce the installation and commissioning time, reduce errors, and improve your product's reputation. The animation shows the whole sequence in the correct order from start to finish. It shows all the necessary parts and the tools you need to install them, so you never start a job unprepared or have to stop halfway through to fetch a tool. Here we see the commissioning of a valve position sensor. This uses a reversible key with magnets to set up the sensor without opening it and compromising its ingress protection. The animation shows the procedure at actual speed. First you place the black side of the magnetic key over the black dot on the label, then the green side over the green dot, and see the resulting messages and actions through to successful completion. The operator can watch the movie on a phone or tablet whilst at the valve location. So now, onto still images. These are a range of shelf-mounted screens for shops and supermarkets. Here's the front view with vivid, colourful images showing the whole range together for easy size comparison. And here they are, mounted on shelves with products and an animation that's making me thirsty just watching it. Here, the client wanted to see if the green colour of the upholstery will be overpowering when the seats are empty. This visualisation reveals that it's not. You can try out different ideas, colours, lighting, furniture, layouts, etc. and compare them all side by side to establish the perfect decor before you commit. Here a racing truck concept for Ryan Smith, the British champion. And this is the cave in the Great Hall at the University of Northampton, the genesis of immersive 3D, now superseded by Oculus Rift and similar VR headsets. These images were produced to promote the facility before it had been built. So, virtual photographs. These are clients' 3D CAD models rendered to look like photographs. We can use almost any CAD format and bring your existing assets to life with physically based materials and HDRI environments for realistic lighting and reflections. No matter how many products, each image has the same look, camera angles and settings. If you add a new product, then any new images will match the look and feel of the existing ones, creating consistent images that look great when arranged together. There's no need to have products available, so no transportation or site visits, no cleaning or polishing, no cut samples and no rough edges. It doesn't matter how big the items are, this valve is 2 meters diameter. Non-destructive cutaway views are easy, so no need to sacrifice an expensive item. And here we have an exploded view, which shows all the components clearly. Now, photo montage. So here, we've composited rendered 3D models onto background photos of the site to show the proposal in context or situ. Where we put a virtual building onto a real location, we match the physical camera location, the lens length, and the camera settings in the 3D model. We also match the precise location of the sun using the time, the date, and GPS location data. We can also replicate the cloud cover and render so the model's shadows fit into the photo seamlessly. So, augmented reality. The dots are the app finding a flat surface, then tap the screen to drop in a model. Here's the racing truck again. As you move about, it stays in place. This could be furniture or a product that you can put in a location to see how it fits. I did make a full-size version of the truck, but you have to walk miles to see around it. Okay, and finally, virtual reality. So these are equirectangular images suitable for panorama viewers on phones and tablets, and for portable VR headsets such as the Samsung Gear VR. They're distorted at the top and bottom as they are mapped onto a sphere, similar to Mercator's projection for maps of the globe. Visually, they are like Google Maps, where you can look anywhere around you from a single spot. They work just the same on a tablet or phone, where as you rotate and move up and down, then the image stays in place and it's like looking through a portal. Here's how it looks on a viewer. So thanks for watching. For more information, please go to www.engineeringanimation.co.uk.